Hello everyone, this is Breathe and we are the THX Abrasives from China. Now today it's my honor to introduce you our factory to you, and now follow my lead please. First station is a mixing station, and here we put all the raw material according to the ratio for prepare for the production. Now please have a look. After the mixing station, now let's move on. All the material will be placed here for waking up. You can have a look. All of them will be here and wait for a certain moment, and then they will be completely repaired. In this station, all the raw material will be screening here to remove the unqualified ones, and the rest of them could be in the next station. Now here comes our production lines. Now you can see all the raw materials will be in the place and became the raw products finally. As you see, we have the full automatic production lines, and besides there are workers and to ensure the products the qualities. So when you receive it, you will find 100% best quality of your products. Now please have a look at it. And you can see all the plates from the production line will be sent here in front of the high temperature furnace, and all these plants will be in there about 48 hours, and then you will find it will be getting harder of the heat. And all these high temperature furnaces are service for you. So this means it will need a quantity if you need some special custom size. Okay. And now you can see our workers are checking the quality one by one to ensure each product that sent to your hand will be perfect. And now, this is our plastic packaging line. All the things will be go through this line and to this. The shipping needs to ready to ship. And here is our engineer's lab. You can see our engineer is testing the new models, quality and the performance. And this will keep our factory viable. And this is our factory. If you are interested or you want to get order from us, please contact us. This is Ray from the PHX Abrasives. I will see you next time. Bye.